I'm going on a hike today in Lombok. Actually haven't been hiking here yet. We're gonna drive an hour along the coast to the place where we're gonna hike. Okay, let's go. Apparently they have this here because the monkey will steal them. Guys, I had to stop. Look at this. How gorgeous. My ass is getting really sore though. This is a long drive, but it's so beautiful. Hello, Mimus. Hello. We've just stopped for a little break to see the view. It's unreal. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. I don't understand. We've arrived. Okay, we begin. Let's go. Got my peanuts. Look at the views.
Great. Are you content creator too?
Wow.
Do a live.